Welcome to my series where I show you how to turn one recipe into endless meals. Our base recipe today is chicken salad minus the chicken. We are using chickpeas in place of chicken. I leaned pretty heavily into my sensory science background on this one because I really wanted it to taste like a classic chicken salad. And to do that, we're just going to include a lot of the same ingredients that you would use in a classic chicken salad to trick your brain into thinking that it's the real thing. You might want to make a double batch because this is really hard not to just eat with a spoon. It is so good. But I'm going to show you how to turn it into 3 different meals. This is a great way of meal prepping without getting bored of eating the same thing every day because every day is a little different. The first way of serving this is actually one of my favorites. You're just going to get some butterhead lettuce leaves and spoon that vegetarian chicken salad onto each leaf. Next up is the classic chicken salad sandwich. I like to go with either sourdough or a croissant. Lettuce and tomato are a must here. Alright, and saving the best for last, use what you have left to make a quesadilla. Grate some pepper jack or provolone cheese onto a large tortilla and then cook it on the stove just a few minutes per side until it's golden brown and melty in the middle. Cooking your recipes like this is truly a lifesaver when you're hungry and need something that's filling, nutritious, and tasty. Just knowing that you've already done most of the work makes mealtime so much easier. Let me know if you try it out, and happy eating!